Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Miracles of stopping sun and Mojza of Habs-E-Shams. The Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj journey raised a best differentiation among the believers and the disbelievers. It had been asked about a caravan which the Holy Prophet ﷺ had seen during his journey, Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that he ﷺ saw the camels of Meccan merchants going to and from, some of their animals that went stray. The Holy Prophet ﷺ informed that he ﷺ had drunk some of their water while they were fast asleep and left the container covered. This caravan will arrive at Wednesday. The people waited at Wednesday for the caravan, sitting on a high place. When the caravan did not reach, the Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed to Allah for the stopping movement of the sun. Jabbar narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ ordered the sun to stop the movement for a time. The sun followed his orders and stopped the movement till the arrival of the caravan. Asma narrated that when the divine message was going to reveal, the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he began to faint. Once the revealing was about to send to the Prophet ﷺ, the Prophet's head was on Ali's lap. The Holy Prophet ﷺ asked Ali, did he perform the Asr prayer? He answered that he did not perform it. The time of Asr was gone, yet the Holy Prophet ﷺ ordered the sun to return his previous place so that Ali could perform his Asr prayer. Asma says, she saw the sun rise after the sunset and stayed on the mountains and earth. Narrated by Abu Huraira that once the Prophet Joshua carried out the expedition, and when he reached that town at the time or nearly at the time of the Asr prayer, he said to the sun, you are under Allah's order and I am under Allah's order. O Allah, stop it, i.e. the sun, from setting. It was stopped till Allah made him victorious. Bukhari 3124. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.